What's going on, guys? Today, War Wagon is getting her new race engine. So we had to fill up the tires real quick before we push this thing down to the shop. Joey's back. We were expecting Kareem, but he had some stuff come up at work, so he's not going to be here today. These are just our roll-around tires. I think all of them are pumped up, aren't they, Joey?
Yeah.
Yeah, for the most part. Close enough. How about that? Where's all that water coming from?
Yep.
Oh, geez. So anyways, we're going to get this thing pushed down to the shop so we can get the motor put in. So I know what you guys are going to ask, and that is, where is the Thunder Bomber? Where is the building the race car videos? Well, guys, it's pretty much been sitting right here for the past couple of weeks now. But now that we have paid for our engine, because I wasn't sure what the cost was going to be with our engine, I wanted to make sure everything with this car, the War Wagon, was squared away. And then I was going to start spending money on the Cutlass. So now that we have the engine back, we only need tires and a couple of other things. But for the most part, we can go ahead and we can start back on this project. But it's still going to be a while because we're not going to put the cage on. John Clyde Race Cars is going to put the cage on. So he's going to take care of that for us. But that's where the Thunder Bomber's at. It's just waiting to get sent off. And as soon as, really, once we get this thing done, which will probably be in the next day or two, we're going to take this thing off. And then we should get a cage and then we'll get back to building it. So hopefully that answers your questions on where the Thunder Bomber's at. Yes, I can.
Why do you have to film it?
PBR in the fridge. Hey.
It either came loose or it broke. Good. Don't judge me.
Yep. Your finger hit the switch all 4 times you pull the trigger. Yeah.
Ow.
Better than we need, right?
Better have them too long and too short.
Yep.
In both cases. In both cases.
Oh, you got it right there.
It's so heavy.
Sorry. Sorry.
Alright,
let's see where that's at.
If you wanted that with cross member, you got something to lift up on with. Alright. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, we're getting a mount over here.
What
No. Hitting that front motor down on the right side. It's a special day.
Well, I mean, it is. It's the last install we're doing. Well, other than the bullshit. Alright, this needs to go.
Shit, I'm in. You gotta hook your evac thing back up too, eventually.
Hold that power steering pump up. Yeah, I'll get the power steering on. I'll start getting, or I'll get the whatchamacallit on. We'll size up that radiator. I think it should be fine. Yes, Joe. So that needs to be like that. Yeah, I was gonna say you're gonna hold all that together. It's not on the thing. There you go. It will be. There. All right. We can find a washer. Checking that box. That's So I wanted to show you guys that we have officially upgraded our radiator. This is the old shroud that's on the new radiator. It's a double pass radiator. They were the same size radiators, but I'm not sure of the shroud placement, so that's why we're going to go ahead and start with the cooling system and get it in the car here and make sure it's in the right place, and then continue from there. But so far everything's going fine, no major hiccups, and we'll keep on working. So our shroud doesn't quite fit, not necessarily this part, but the piece that runs between this part and the fan itself. I don't think it fits right. So we're going to take this out. I'm going to make one real quick out of some scrap sheet metal, and we'll see how that goes.
I was there.
Alright, custom shroud. I just got to drill all the holes for it. Okay. So I need that around there. That around there. Sorry, little clamp. I didn't know. You're working. Just like me, you're slow. God damn. Yeah, that looks so much better. That could pose a problem. So guys, that's pretty much all I have for this video. Now that we've gotten the engine back and paid for, and oh my goodness, you're fogging up, we can get back to the good old Cutlass here. So we're getting ready to send it off, get a cage put on it, start building it, and hopefully have it ready for 2021. If not, oof. But anyways, that's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm sorry I'm real blurry right now, but I want to take a little break from YouTube for a while to kind of figure out what we're going to do, stuff like that. And I am really struggling with this camera fogging up right now. Oh my God. But anyways, thank you to our Patreon supporters. Thank you so much for what you do, for what you continue to do. If you guys want to check that out, I'll leave a link to the website up here in the corner. But as far as that, guys, that's all I have for this video. So thank you so much for watching the video, and as always, we will see you in the next video.